Hello everybody, I've got some unfortunate news about the 1998 Rheem. It is dead and out of service. Take one last look at it. Don't know what happened to it. See if I can open it up. Take a look at it. The old scroll. Would imagine the compressor failed just by that evidence. But look how clean it is. Let's go look at the replacement. Let's see if I can find some data on this without falling down. It's Goodman. Ah, here we go. Well, it's a local outfit. Brand new. Looks like it's got a scroll in it. Sucker's not wanting to focus today. There we go. And there's the 98 Rheem in the background. So, just a quick gas station AC update. Thank you for watching.